Yo guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to create this white flash transition for your next music video or edit. I already have my clip imported right here. Go to the bottom of our timeline, go to new, and we're going to actually add a solid. Make sure our solid is white. Press OK. Then we're going to press Control D right here. We're going to make our solid layer right here a bit much smaller. Then we're going to press T on the keyboard, bring down our opacity right here. Then we're going to create our first keyframe. Go right here to where our clip is starting to transition to our second clip right here. Increase our opacity right here. Then we're going to push out our keyframe a bit and bring it all the way down to 0. Once after that, I'm going to highlight all 3 keyframes right here. Press F9 on a keyboard. And yeah, that is how you create this simple and white flash transition for your next music video or edit. I hope you guys learned something new today or just like watching this video overall. And if you did, I would love it if you were to subscribe, like, leave a comment. It helps support me and it helps my channel reach other people who want to learn new effects.